So, when we talk about nirvana, this path to nirvana, what is the right age for entering this path of
There is
nirvana?
no age. There is no age. See, consciousness or awareness is a see awareness तो आप create कर सकते हैं through books, through people, through learning. Consciousness हर इंसान में उसके कर्मा के through आती है. So when I started my journey, I will be 40 in a year. So for me, I personally feel it's too early to reach that state. But then it was a conscious effort. It was a commitment towards my working on my own journey, realizing my own darkness and becoming this person. Choice होती है आपके पास. So there is no age. It's a choice.
Okay. So, when you talk about karma, are you talking about karma as in the karma you've done in this life, or you're talking about past life karmas as well?
Of course. हर इंसान जो आया है बर्थ लेके वो कार्मिक बैगेज लेके आता ही है क्योंकि हम किसी से भी मिलते हैं whether it is family, whether it is friends, whether it is foes, whether it is anybody we deal with. हर इंसान से हमारा कार्मिक बैलेंस होना होता है इसीलिए हम मिलते हैं. अब वो हमारे ऊपर है हम कार्मिक बैलेंस कैसे करते हैं. There are people who wrong us. If we forgive them, we let that soul tie get normal. If we don't forgive them, आपने गलत किया, उसने गलत किया, आपने गलत किया, वो चलता रहेगा. So that is consciousness. When you forgive everybody, see everybody from a state of equality and love, is then when you don't create more karmas.
So, being in the state that you are in, is there any person that you think that you still hold against?
Actually, no. Because holding against somebody is for me victim mindset. जिसमें आपको लगता है कि of course I was there some years back. I used to see everybody from that state of mind कि इसने मेरे साथ गलत किया, उसने मेरे साथ गलत किया. Not anymore. Because now I understand कि those were the people who brought me where I am. वो गलत नहीं करते तो मैं अपने साथ सही नहीं करती, Those are the people who actually pushed me into being what I am today. They were the catalyst to my growth. So somebody who's wronging you is actually telling you कि खुद के साथ सही करो. तो वो इंसान गलत कैसे हो सकता है आपके लिए?
True. So, how do people reach out to you if they really need help and
Okay.
they are in that situation where they don't know the right path or the right state of thoughts that they should be having? How do they reach out to you?
So I have an Insta handle. I have a website too. And anybody can just DM me and just message me and then we connect. And then again, of course, like what you said is a very right thing, Nitya. A lot of people don't know where to begin. They have problems, लेकिन उनको पता नहीं है कि करना क्या है, शुरू कहाँ से करना है. Is exactly what I help them with. Right? So again, like talking a little bit of healing. So healing is not something कि आपने बैठ के आसन पे meditate कर लिया और आप heal हो जाओगे. You have to recognize your patterns, which I do in my sessions. You have to shift mind. You have to do a mindset shift. You have to work regularly with some practices. For example, breath work. For example, somatic work that I do with body. There are a lot of things that I inculcate in my sessions, which is modalities. And gradually, when I integrate all of it, is that when we come to a place where people say that I'm healed.
So, how many lives would you have touched till now in your journey of samsara?
Many, I
nirvana?
think more than 1,000 by now.
Wow. So, any one particular example that you like to quote where the person was in the worst of situation and is
There are
now?
many actually. Everybody who comes for help is actually struggling with themselves, and the beautiful part is that recognizing that you need help and you're taking it. So there are a lot of people. I'll not name any specific person because mostly the clients that I've had have been coming for transformation only. People who know that they want to grow and they really want to do something about their life. I always help them.
And going by your experience, is it a session-based kind of a program that you take sessions? How does it go?
Yeah, I actually curate a specific course for every person who comes to me because see, हर इंसान की sensitivities अलग हैं. Every person understands things in a different way. A lot of people have addictions. A lot of people have a lot of anxiety. कुछ लोगों के past life anxieties होती हैं because of some XYZ reasons happening to them. So हर इंसान का healing का process is different. It is not that 10 people sitting in a row, even if they think alike, they'll be able to heal in a same way and at the same pace. कुछ लोग 2 महीने में heal होते हैं, कुछ को 2 साल भी लग सकते हैं, depending on their choices and depending on their way of dealing with things. So I personalize and curate personal plans for people. When I meet a person, I make case histories, I write down कहाँ से क्या है, then I figure out कि अगर कोई specific issue है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एंग्जाइटी ज़रूरी नहीं होता है कि आपके कोई आपका पास्ट रिलेशनशिप बहुत डिफिकल्ट था वहाँ से, इट कुड बी स्टेमिंग फ्रॉम योर चाइल्डहुड. So being a psychic, I read that in the aura and then I make my notes and then I know how to work, where to work, so that it goes at the deepest level.
So, as I have seen in many cases, a lot of people have become spiritual these days. However, they're only spiritual till the time they face a problem. As soon as the problem comes to them, their spirituality goes away. And they're
That is where mindfulness is required. So basically, spirituality, like I again said, healing और spirituality is not कि आपने योगा मैट पे बैठ के योगा कर लिया या मेडिटेट कर लिया. इट्स द रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस. आपकी लाइफ में जब रियल में कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, आप तब कैसे बिहेव करते हो, दैट एग्जैक्टली इज व्हाट मैटर्स. एंड दैट कम्स विद माइंडफुलनेस. अगर आप उस माइंड फ्रेम में हमेशा रहते हो ना कि मुझे एक्सटर्नल चीज़ों को अफेक्ट नहीं करने देना है खुद को, आई डोंट वांट कि मैं नेगेटिव हो जाऊँ बिकॉज मेरे आसपास लोग नेगेटिव हैं, वो आप हमेशा उस ज़ेन स्टेट में तब रह सकते हो when you have done the work, when you are always on the path of growth, self-focus, self-mastery, when you mindfully know कि you take pauses, you're not always in a state of anxiety कि जो मैं कह रही हूँ, कर रहा हूँ, वो ठीक है. You know?
So, do you really feel that controlling your thoughts, controlling your mind is as easy as?
Actually, nothing in life is easy till it is done. So, I won't say controlling your thoughts is easy, but curating, disciplining your thoughts is easy. And that comes with practice. अगर आपने कोई भी चीज़ आज शुरू करनी है, you would have heard people climbing Mount Everest. तो हर कोई नहीं जाता है और हर कोई कर भी नहीं पाता है. But again, mind is a very active force. उसको काम करना बहुत difficult है, but there are techniques. Meditation is one best way of doing that. And if you do that over the years, आपको खुद अपने mind में वो difference दिखने लगता है कि आपको thoughts आना बंद हो गए.
Right. And you said breathing techniques.
Yeah.
So, how important is the way we breathe?
Okay, so breath is your prana shakti, जो आपकी बॉडी में प्राण चल रहे हैं. एंड एवरीथिंग इज अराउंड ब्रेथ. आपकी बॉडी में जो भी ब्लॉकेजेस बनते हैं, जो मैनिफेस्ट होते हैं डिजीजेस में आगे चल के, एवरी पर्सन हु हैज़ अ हेल्थ इशू हैज़ सम ऑफ द अदर इमोशनल ब्लॉकेज. उसकी वजह से ही वो हेल्थ इशू कन्वर्ट हो जाता है जब वो ब्लॉकेज बहुत टाइम तक रिजॉल्व नहीं होता. सो ब्रेथवर्क ऐसे हेल्प करता है कि जब आप ब्रेथवर्क डेली करते हैं तो दोज एनर्जेटिक ब्लॉकेजेस आर रिमूव थ्रू ब्रेथवर्क. तो वो ब्लॉकेजेस जो पुराने भी हैं वो भी रिमूव हो जाते हैं और नए भी कन्वर्ट नहीं होते हैं. सो योर बॉडी इज इन अ फ्लो स्टेट. सो आपको हेल्थ इश्यूज नहीं होंगे, आपको ओवर थिंकिंग नहीं होगी, आपका माइंड क्यूरेटेड रहेगा. एंड व्हेन यू आर इन दैट zen स्टेट ऑलरेडी, यू विल ऑब्वियसली फील हैप्पी.
So, when you talk about this entire course of Samsara to Nirvana, what are the various modalities or what are the various models that you use?
Okay. So I am into astrology, numerology, tarot, and batch flowers, and psychic reading, aura reading, dream analysis, subconscious working, shifting of mindset, somatic work, body work through NLP. So there are a lot of modalities that I use in my healing work towards my clients, depending जिसको जिस चीज़ की requirement है.
So, have you also done these NLP courses in your transition to achieving the state?
So basically, for me, it was a very beautiful experience. जब मेरी healing चल रही थी, so every modality I was learning, I was healing through that. That's how I did my healing. So every time I did a course, I did my healing, and that came as a twin package to me. I would learn and I would also heal. So that is how it happened for me.